Hey there, young explorers! Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Explorers, Kids Edition on the FAQ of the World channel. Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Today, we're digging deep, literally. We're learning all about diggers. These awesome machines are like the superheroes of the construction world. So, what makes diggers so cool? First, they have a big, strong arm that can dig up tons of dirt. They can make holes, move rocks, and even lift heavy things. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need diggers? Well, they help build roads, houses, and even big skyscrapers. Imagine trying to dig a hole for a swimming pool with just a shovel. It would take forever, right? But with a digger, it's done in no time. Before we keep digging, don't forget to follow our channel and save our Sunday Explorers, Kids Edition playlist so you won't miss any future adventures. So let's get back to it. Diggers are not only fast but super precise too. They can be controlled to dig exactly where we want, making them important for all sorts of projects. Thanks for joining us today, little explorers. See you next Sunday for another exciting topic. Until then, keep exploring.